Have you ever wondered why your $5 bill is worth exactly the same as someone else's? That is the concept of fungibility. At its core, fungibility simply means that individual units of an asset are interchangeable and indistinguishable from one another. Fungible assets hold a one-to-one exchange ratio. It does not matter which specific unit you hold, as the value remains identical. Fungible goods are easy to trade because they meet a standardized quality. This makes them perfect for use as currency or commodities. While money is fungible, assets like houses or rare paintings are non-fungible because each one is unique and has its own specific value. Notice how dollars remain consistent in value, while unique assets like houses vary significantly based on their individual characteristics and location. Without fungibility, every transaction would require a detailed inspection of the asset, which would make our entire economy much slower and more complex. Understanding these basic concepts helps you navigate the financial world with more confidence. Thanks for watching, and stay curious about your money.